Hello everyone, we are Team InnoVision and this is our topic. And our topic name is Water Quality and Real Life Detection of Biological Hazards. Nowadays, we don't even know what kind of water we are drinking, the pH of water, even the water which is stored in tank, we don't even know how it is and we just go on drinking. Mostly this problem is faced in villages. Like something is dried into the water and after 15 or 16 days we come to know that something was dried and we were consuming the same dirty water. We don't even understand that drinking water, consumption of bad water was the reason for us to fall ill, and this is the only reason and solution for this. We will be implementing a smart water tank in your systems to prevent you from all of these things. You will see the benefits of it, and we will just go on explaining the prototype now. This is the transformer, this is the PCB board, this is display board. Here we have used Wi-Fi module. On addition, you can also add the solar cells for this. This is the pH module where the pH sensor, connectivity of pH sensor is given. This is the temperature sensor. The Wi-Fi module we have used because this is the IT-based project, and you will receive all the notifications on your phone. This is the ultrasonic sensor just to maintain the level of the tank. This is the main tank. This will become your smart water tank, as we have added ultrasonic sensor, odor sensor and pH sensor, and this is the turbidity sensor which will sense all the movements of your water, and whatever will be floating on the water, it will detect that. This is the auxiliary tank. When the water will become dirty, when all the water will become dirty, the water automatically flows into this tank. This is the source tank. And this is the temperature sensor. It will tell the temperature of water. So let's try a demo on this. We will just pour water into the water tank. Here we have set motor. Now you can see the water is coming into the main tank. You will see all the readings over here, and you can also see the readings on the application which is called as Blink IoT itself. Now I will be pouring the object into it, and it will detect the object, and the water will flow into the another tank. Now I have just inserted an object into it. You will see automatically the water will flow into this tank. Now you see I have just inserted the object into it. The turbidity sensor has sensed that something is on the surface of water, and the water was flowing into the auxiliary tank. You can see all the readings are here, and this is the application where you will receive all the readings.